No matter if you are a weekend warrior or you work in a fabrication shop, you understand the importance of having the best MIG welder at your disposal. These welders are lightweight and easy to use, making them a great option for beginners. They can also be used with or without gas, which helps to make them an awesome choice for anyone that doesn't have a ton of experience in the world of welding. Today we are going to review top 5 MIG welders of this year, and we are going to start our list with Hitbox MIG 250. While most home-based MIG welders are not prepared for larger welding jobs, that isn't always the case. Take this model, for instance. While most home-based MIG welders can only be used on metal that is, at best, 0.7 mm in thickness, this model can be used up to 1 mm. While that might not seem like all that much, it can make a very large difference if you are trying to complete a heavier-duty project at home. As you would expect with a model this powerful, this welder has a current range that goes all the way up to 250 amps. This extra power provides the right amount of electricity to quickly and easily weld thicker metals with this machine. Of course, this also means that you need to have a heavier-duty 220-volt electrical outlet for it to operate out of properly, so bear that in mind before you make your final decision. Surprisingly, even though this model is so powerful and uses so much electricity, it is actually not that heavy. This makes it quite simple to pick up and move from job to job or place to place. This versatility is something that really helps to set this welder apart. Add in the fact that you can use this machine with or without gas, and you can see why it is so easy to use in lots of situations. The only real issue with this otherwise wonderful welder is that the instruction manual is very difficult to understand. This shouldn't be a problem for experienced welders but might cause some consternation for someone that is just getting started. And as always, the link is in the description below. Next up in the list is Lotos MIG 140. If you are someone that uses your tools a lot and doesn't want to have to worry about your new welder breaking down, then this is probably a good model for you. This welder from Lotos is built to last. Everything about it is extremely solid, from its handle, nozzle, and outer casing, right down to the controls and wire feed. No matter how much you intend to utilize your new welder, this model should hold up for a good long time. Not only will this welder last for years and years, but it also comes with just about everything that you need to get started welding right off the bat. The only thing that doesn't come in this package is a gas tank, but everything else is present and accounted for, making it a very convenient purchase to make. As you would expect from such a well-built machine, this model has a handy overload protection system built into it. This system will help to keep the welder from experiencing any unwanted energy spikes that could ruin the welder. This will, thankfully, help to keep the welder working even longer. While the variable speed dial is a joy to use, the trigger for this welder is a bit difficult to get used to. Unlike other models, this welder has a simple on/off toggle switch. This might provide a bit of a learning curve to anyone that is used to standard triggers, so keep that in mind before you make your final decision. Next MIG welders in the list is Vivo Home Portable MIG 130. One of the biggest issues with lots of MIG welders is that they need to be used with argon gas in order to get good results. While this isn't that bad if they are being used in a workshop, it is less than ideal if you are on the go. It can also be a bit of a pain to continuously refill and purchase more gas all of the time. Thankfully, this model from Vivo Home is available to combat this issue. This welder is designed to be completely gas-free and instead relies on flux wire to complete its welds. This helps to make this model a lot more portable, though it is a bit on the heavy side to carry around all of the time. Something else that is really nice about this welder is just how easy it is to adjust it. If you want to adjust the speed of the wire, all you need to do is change the dial to any of the 10 different available speed levels. The same can also be said of the different current levels. This model has a wide range of available currents, which can be easily found on the current level adjustment knob. Surprisingly, this portable model is also quite powerful. In fact, using this welder, you should have no trouble welding materials that are up to 0.9 mm thick. This makes it one of the more powerful MIG welders you can buy for home use, which is great for anyone looking to weld lots of different materials. And again, the link is in the description. Next one is Forni Easy Weld 140 FCI. If you are someone that needs a welder while you are on the go or you just like to move about your shop to work at different stations, then this is the welder for you. This model weighs in at a trim 19 pounds, which makes it very easy to pick up and move from place to place. The carrying handle is another nice touch that makes moving this model a simple practice. Something else that makes this such a nice option for use on the go is that it is designed to be used without gas. Instead, this welder is meant to be used exclusively with flux wire, which is provided when you buy the welder. As you would expect from such a lightweight and portable machine, this welder is also quite compact. This easy-to-move design will allow you to store this model when it is not in use in a cabinet or in the back of your vehicle. The compactness of the welder only adds to its portability, which is, obviously, ideal. The only real issue with this powerful and compact MIG welder is that it has a very slow wire feed. While this shouldn't be too big of an issue for a beginning welder, it might seem way too slow for someone that knows what they are doing. Of course, this slower than average wire speed will force the user to take their time, which should result in even better welds.
The welding
Last
setup
on the
chart
best MIG welders
that
in the
makes
list
setting
is
your
Hobart
machine up
Handler
properly
140.
very easy.
If you are in the market for the
And
best
if we look
overall
at the
MIG welder for your
industrial
home
grade
workshop,
cast
then this is a
aluminum drive
fantastic
system
option.
with
For starters,
quick release,
this model
that
has one
also
of the
makes
widest current
changeovers very
ranges
quick.
available on the market today. This makes it very
It also
easy to
has
find
the
the right amount
polarity,
of power for whatever
with easy
project you have
access,
in
you
mind.
can change from
Dialing
flux
up this
core to
power is
MIG,
also quite easy,
very easily
thanks
also.
to the simple-to-use voltage
This machine,
selector.
we have the small
This straightforward knob will
2-pound
allow you to
roll-on,
select
but you
from
can
5
also
different power
run the
settings,
8-inch
which will
spool,
save you from having
and
to
it
spend
also
time
comes with
fiddling
this
to find the
adapter.
right voltage for
Taking
your
a look
weld.
at the front of the
Another
Handler
big selling
140,
point
you'll
for this
notice the
model is that
slope
it comes
control
with each and
panel
everything that
for
you might
easy
need to start
visibility.
welding right away.
Also
While
features
many models
infinite
only come
control
with
on
the
your
most
wire feed
basic
speed,
parts, this welder
and
has a
5
gas
tap
gauge,
settings,
circuit
allowing you
clamps,
to go down
and the
to
nozzle to
24
get the
gauge
job
steel
done.
and
It
up
even
to
comes with
quarter-inch
flux wire
steel.
if you don't want to have to
This
use any
machine
gas to
also
get clean
features a
welds.
thermal
This
overload
machine is
protection
also
light.
built to last.
In case
It
this
is
machine
made to
gets
be
too hot, it
extremely
will
durable,
shut down
which is never a
and
bad thing.
save the machine
The
from
only
any
real
damage.
issue that you will need to keep in mind with this
You will
welder is
experience
that, even though it
excellent
has a
arc
wide current
performance
range,
from the Handler
it is not
140
good for
with
thicker
a smooth,
metals.
stable
Of
arc
course,
on all
it works
thicknesses.
perfectly up to its thickness
Designed
maximum
and
of
assembled in
0.7
Troy, Ohio,
millimeters,
USA,
making it a great
and
option to
backed by
be
a
used in a home
531
workshop.
industrial warranty.
It's time to make the decision which one to get. Check the link in the description to check the price and get yours. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button blue. We'll see you in the next AdvisorBit video. Till then, have fun.